welcome back to the video. These are the Boat AirDope 201s, I guess. These are wireless earbuds, and this is the first time I'm using wireless earbuds from some different company, and Boat is a pretty good company. So these are pretty good earphones, and I think I expect a good quality. So let's open these up. Seems like a pretty sturdy box. Okay, pretty stylish, and some plastic. Let's keep this aside. Let's have a look at the box. It's effing dope. Okay, I didn't know what that means. CSZ 201. So if you can see that, then there's a bunch of things written right here. If you could notice that, then it's by Shikadovan. Okay, it's Shikadovan. Might be. Then we have inbuilt mic with secure fit here, multifunction Bluetooth control. As you can see, you know what these are gonna look like. Then you have mono and serial calling, slate and portable design, then all the other information. And it also says Google, Siri, voice assistant. No support for Alexa. Sorry for Alexa users, but that's the thing. Nothing inside. Okay. So we have the setup manual. Probably I'm not gonna see this. Let's keep that aside. 1 year manufacturer warranty. And there's something else. So here's the product. Let's keep that inside. Or aside. We have the main product here. The Boat logo, micro USB, unfortunately. Let's keep this aside. It's not opened yet. And micro USB cable. We also get some ear hooks. We take that later. For now, let's keep everything aside. Let's have a look at the main product. Okay, we'll just. As this is not any Apple product or in Beats product, there's not gonna be any pop-up. As you can see, these turned on, and we have lights. Let's just test one thing. Do these fall down? No, they don't. Good magnetic strength. Doesn't close. Good magnetism. Let's go to Bluetooth, and let's open this up. So these have a lot to take from the Powerbeats design, if you see. But like this button and everything, I think it doesn't pair up. We'll have to go to the manual. So we have to take this out. Okay, look pretty good. They're gonna pair to each other. We've got this. Let's wear them. See the fit. Fits in good. I'll play some music. I might be speaking too loud. Okay, now turn it off. Feels like pretty good sound quality. When complained about that, I think it's a great pair of earbuds. Amazing for its price. Now let's test the sound controls. Okay, one press is pause. These are amazing. I rate them a 9 out of 10. You can totally go for these. I'll put the link in the description. Pretty good build quality, pretty good fit. I think you can see all these specs right here. And 470 mAh battery, made in China of course. 50 mAh battery, I'm really sorry. So thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one.